Hi everyone, I'm Kyle Terrell, the owner of Insulation Commandos of Denton and Tarrant County here in North Texas. And we provide high quality insulation services to homeowners and to businesses around this area. So today I'm going to walk you through exactly and show you exactly how we perform our attic insulation, which is one of our most popular services. And that is typically removing all the old insulation, doing a bunch of things in between, and then putting back in brand new insulation. But really the most important thing for us is delivering a professional experience from start to finish. How can we do that? Well, the first thing I'll tell you is that all of the employees here are W-2 employees. We do not sub out the work for our core services. And the many years of doing home improvement projects is that's the only way that you can really control the quality. Every project for us starts with protecting the home and preparing the work area. So depending on the job, that can mean things like floor protection, shoe covers, basic job site prep that you should just do that a lot of companies don't. And we do this so our crew can move more cleanly and carefully throughout your home. The second step for us is the removal of the old insulation. And we do this most of the time. I would say 80–85% of the time we have to, because a lot of the homes that we're working on are older. Let's say 15 years, 20 years, sometimes even 50-year-old homes. And so for instance, if your attic has old contaminated insulation or it's been compressed over the years, we like to remove that by vacuuming it out, and then we can give your attic a fresh start. From there, we like to deodorize and or sanitize the attic. And what I mean by that is not every project is exactly the same. The big takeaway here is that we don't use bleach and water. A lot of companies just put bleach in, put a little water in, and they spray your attic. Well, I don't want my employees breathing that in. I don't want homeowners breathing that in. But what we do use are botanical-based and enzyme-based products. Very safe. It's non-toxic. There's no VOCs to worry about. And it's really just a lot healthier for your home. The next step is absolutely my favorite because in my opinion, it is the most important part of the process. And it gives you what we call your bang for buck, right? What are you going to get the most ROI on when it comes to your insulation? And this is called air sealing. So what air sealing is we take fire block foam. Things we seal are your accessible top plates. So top plates are where a wall meets a wall. There's a 2x4 that runs across the top of that is accessible from the attic. And there's normally a gap there. And so that's where all your outlets are maybe leaking air. The other things we look at are plumbing gaps, any leakage points that can allow conditioned air to escape into the attic or allow the air from the attic to escape into your home. And this is the #1 way to help your insulation perform the way it's supposed to. Now, my note to air sealing is that we do full attic air sealing. And what that means is we don't do spot sealing. So what spot sealing is basically doing here or there, right? We don't want to do here and there. We don't want to half bake this. We want to do the whole attic. So we make sure that everything's tightly sealed before we move on to the next step. And the next step for us is ventilation. We want to look at your home as a full system. And so we will go around, we'll look at your soffit vents and blow those out if they need to be blown out because maybe they've been clogged with insulation. And then we put in what's called baffles. So baffles help airflow get directed to the peak of the roof or to the vents or to the fans that you have on your roof line. If you don't have your baffles properly in place, there is no outside air that your attic can collect to cool itself down. And so that's what we want to do. And finally, we blow in your new insulation. So that would be either fiberglass or rock wool, which is becoming more popular, and attic bat insulation, which is the pink squares that you see in your walls. And we do offer some other options as well. But depending on the project, we might also recommend some other upgrades. Let's say like radiant barrier, which is really popular in Texas. It's more of a foil based. Solar attic fans are really popular down here to be able to suck out some of that hot air to increase your overall attic performance and keep it cooler. And just as important as the work itself, we believe in treating your home with care throughout the entire process. So that means professional communication, attention to detail, and cleaning up the work areas with our vacuum before we leave. What we don't believe in is one size fits all. Every home is different. We have to look at each home as its own system. And though things might be similar from home to home, not every home is exactly the same. We want to improve your insulation in the right way so your home can be more comfortable, efficient, and really just perform better for you, keep you more comfortable, in your own home for years to come. If you're looking for insulation services here in Denton and Tarrant County in North Texas, we would love to help you. You can fill out the link in the description of this video below.